Key international documents. The most important global human rights instrument is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted in 1948 by the General Assembly of the Union. This is so widely accepted that its initial non-binding character has altered, and much of it is now frequently referred to as legally binding on the basis of customary international law. It is the touchstone human rights instrument from which tens of other international and regional instruments, and hundreds of domestic constitutions and other legislation, has drawn inspiration. The author consists of a preface and 30 articles setting forth the human rights and fundamental freedoms to which all men and women everywhere in the world are entitled without any discrimination. It encompasses both civil and political rights as well as social, economic and cultural rights. Right to equality. Freedom from discrimination. Right to life, liberty, personal security. Freedom from slavery. Freedom from torture and degrading treatment. Right to recognition as a person before the law. Right to equality before the law. Right to remedy by competent tribunal. Freedom from arbitrary arrest and exile. Right to fair public hearing. Right to be considered innocent until proven guilty. Freedom from interference with privacy, family, home and correspondence. Right to free movement in and out of the country. Right to asylum in other countries from persecution. Right to a nationality and the freedom to change it. Right to marriage and family. Right to own property. Freedom of belief and religion. Freedom of opinion and information. Right of peaceful assembly and association. Right to participate in government and in free elections. Right to social security. Right to desirable work and to join trade unions. Right to rest and leisure. Right to adequate living standard. Right to education. Right to participate in the cultural life of community. Right to a social order that articulates the other. The Declaration also contains a strong reference to community and citizenship duties as essential to free and full development and to respecting the rights and freedoms of others. Similarly, the rights in the Declaration cannot be invoked by people or states in violating human rights.